All right, y'all, we are back for another catering vlog. This time we are at a wedding. I know. We don't normally do weddings, but today we are. And look how beautiful it is in here. Look at that. The coordinator has it so pretty in here. And so we're gonna try and match their swag. We are serving about 200 people today. And so we finna get it cracking. I'll try my best to keep y'all updated, all right? Bye. So I want them from the top of the chain, count 7. And then it does have hooks, correct? The hooks may still be in the back, but there are hooks to hook on that bar, and then you hang the chains on the other side of the hook. Yes.
On the chicken, one's coming without anything. Last event, it doesn't like somebody that eats tomatoes or something, and tomatoes is in the sauce, okay?
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay. Sounds wonderful. All right, guys, here's an update. We've put some food on the line, but we got it covered up because it's hot in Georgia and there are flies. So Kelly, first time working with us. Say hi to the people. And so he's filling up the lemonade and the sweet tea. Dream Team is in the back making it happen with the hors d'oeuvres. Let me show you. Mario, first time working with us. Dream Team over here making it happen. Everything okay?
No, it just needs some more small. The little small.
Oh. And there may be some in the bottom too. Yep, ask the lady if there's a serving tray for you and you go serve hors d'oeuvres. Back there.
I go downstairs.
And serve hors d'oeuvres. All right, guys, so we're all in the kitchen quietly waiting for the bride and groom to have their first look in the building. Say hi, Tyler. Say hi. Say hi, Deja, Bianca, Demaya. And so we're back here. We're being quiet because we can't let anybody go out. It's Queen. That's Mario back there. And Anaya hiding. You see that? Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in on her. Hold on, let me zoom in on her face. Zoom. You better be glad I ain't got my other camera on.
The way she walked up was so funny.
Oh. So yeah, we're chilling. I'm trying to remember to take clips, y'all. I'm trying to remember.